Hello everyone, in my previous video I showed you how to write an effective email to a professor. Many of you asked me one question, where do we actually find professors to email? So in this video I will show you the 8 best methods that I personally use to find professors for masters and PhD positions. Let's get started. The first and most reliable method is using the official university website. यहाँ मैंने एक कंप्लीट रोड मैप दे दिया है कि आप यूनिवर्सिटी वेबसाइट को यूज़ करते हुए किस तरह प्रोफेसर को कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो। तो लेट्स सपोज आप यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ ओटागो में पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो सबसे पहले आप गूगल पर उस यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम सर्च करेंगे और उसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट खोलेंगे। इसके बाद हम अपनी रिसर्च से रिलेटेड डिपार्टमेंट में जाएंगे और वहाँ पर आर पीपल, एकेडमिक स्टाफ, फैकल्टी या स्टाफ डायरेक्टरी जैसे सेक्शंस होंगे। यूनिवर्सिटीज़ इन पेजेस पर डिफरेंट नेम यूज़ करती हैं और आप फिर उस पर क्लिक करेंगे। उसके नीचे उस डिपार्टमेंट में जितने भी प्रोफेसर्स हैं उनकी प्रोफाइल आ जाएगी। तो किसी भी प्रोफेसर की प्रोफाइल को खोलें and then read their research interest and also check their recent publications, current projects and whether they are supervising graduate student or not. I'm going to use the University of Otago as an example, but you can follow the same steps for any university. Now go to the department related to your research field. In my case, I'm interested in biomaterials, so I will open the faculty of dentistry. सो यहाँ पर इस डिपार्टमेंट में जितने भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं उनकी एक लिस्ट दे दी गई है। इन सारे प्रोफेसर्स के नेम और उनके साथ उनका रिसर्च इंटरेस्ट बताया गया है। तो जो जिस प्रोफेसर का काम आपके काम के साथ मैच कर रहा है, आप उसकी प्रोफाइल ओपन करोगे। वहाँ पर उनकी कंप्लीट डिटेल्स दी गई होंगी, जिनमें उनका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर होगा, उनकी पोजीशन क्या है, किस डिपार्टमेंट में है, उनका रिसर्च इंटरेस्ट क्या है, उनका करंट रिसर्च, करंट प्रोजेक्ट्स दिए गए होंगे और उसके साथ साथ उनकी जो रिसेंट पब्लिकेशंस हैं वो भी दी गई होंगी। Now copy their official university email address and save it in your spreadsheet. Repeat the same process to build a list of professors before sending the email. The second method is Google Scholar. Search your research topic instead of searching for professors or university name. For example, if your research area is tissue engineering, simply search tissue engineering and you will see hundreds of research papers. And then open the recent paper and look at the authors. Researchers who published frequently in your research area are often the active supervisors. So click on their profile to see their publications and then visit their university web page to find their email address. The third method is ResearchGate. This is one of my favorite platforms because it allows you to discover the researchers working in your exact field. So search your research topic then and click on the people section or authors. So open a researcher profile and look at their research interest, publication, institution and ongoing work. If their research match your background, visit their university website and collect their official email address. The fourth method is LinkedIn. Many professors and research groups have their LinkedIn profiles where they usually share their recent publications, conferences and sometimes even announce PhD or master's opening. So open your LinkedIn profile and search using the keywords such as the PhD position in biomaterial, tissue engineering or the MS position. वट एवर योर फील्ड इज़। और यहाँ पे आप देखोगे प्रोफेसर्स जो हैं वो PhD पोजीशंस अनाउंस करते हैं। ये जो फर्स्ट वन है देखिए 8RB4 है एंड नेक्स्ट 3 वीक है, वो भी फुली फंडेड PhD पोजीशन है। और उसके बाद पोस्ट डॉक की है 3 वीक बिफोर की, 1RB4 की है PhD पोजीशन। तो इस तरह आपको लिंक्डइन से बहुत सारी PhD और MS पोजीशन मिल जाएंगी जो रिसेंटली अनाउंस हुई हैं। द फिफ्थ मैथड इज़ गूगल सर्च. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ सर्चिंग ओनली अ प्रोफेसर नेम, यू कैन कंबाइन योर रिसर्च एरिया विद अ यूनिवर्सिटी नेम. For example, you can search University of California professors in chemistry. So Google will usually show faculty pages, laboratory websites and professor profiles. So open the official university page and read the professor research interest, check their publication and save their email address. So this method is much faster than manually browsing every university website. Sixth method is searching laboratory websites. Many professors have their own research lab websites. These websites usually contain information about the ongoing projects, current lab members, available PhD position, publication and funding opportunities. Sometimes you will find a page called Join Our Lab or Open Position. So these websites give you much more detailed information than a university profile. The seventh method is scholarship and research job portals. So websites such as academic positions and Find a PhD regularly advertise fully funded masters and PhD positions. So instead of searching for professor individually, these platforms list supervisors who are actively looking for students. So if you find a suitable position, read the advertisement carefully and contact the supervisor if required. The final method is one of that many students ignore, but it's one of the most effective. Start by searching for research paper in your area using the Google Scholar or PubMed. Open a recent paper and check the authors. The corresponding author is often the principal investigator or supervisor of the research. So click on their university affiliation, visit their profile and explore more of their recent publications. So these are the 8 methods I personally use to find professors for masters and PhD opportunities. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone planning to study abroad.